What's up, everybody? This is Dejan, owner of Tinae's Wealth Management and Credit Consulting. And before we begin, I'd like to ask that you guys please subscribe to the channel. I look forward to giving you guys a lot of great content on credit, investments, as well as financial management. So subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to educating you guys. Now, today's topic is about should you invest in stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrency? Now, this video was mainly made today because there's been a number of different questions and statements made about Forex being the best market or cryptocurrency being the best market. So I wanted to dive into the topic of discussion today to elaborate as to why neither of these markets are the best. Now, first things first, Forex is not the best market. I've heard a number of different arguments from traders saying that, oh, well, Forex is the best market because they have the highest trading volume and that they're the most liquid. Let me tell you guys first that is not true. Forex is not the best market because of trading volume. The only thing that trading volume determines is how much a stock or a Forex pair has been bought and sold. That's the only thing that volume determines. However, when it comes to the volatility, meaning, how rapid or how slow a stock is fluctuating in price, that can have a big factor on whether somebody makes money or not, depending on how much capital they have in that investment. That's the only thing that determines. Now, trading specifically is not about what market you're trading in. It's all about, are you winning the trade or are you not winning the trade? So I often hear people say, well, the reason I'm into Forex is because I can use less money and get into the market. But you can use less money for options trading and still get into the same type of returns, trading Forex, options, or even penny stocks. The returns are very similar just because of volatility and the little amount of money that it takes to really do something in that market. So we have to get out of the habit of saying Forex is the better market. No, it's not. It's all about if you can capture the wins. It's not about, oh, well, it's recession proof. Like, come on, that's just general information that a lot of people say to entice you to get into the game. Now, when it comes to investing in Forex as a whole, yeah, you can invest in Forex, but you don't need to get part of any of these multi-level marketing schemes. And yes, I'm going to say it. iMarkets Live, Generational Wealth Builders, and any other type of MLM style investment company. Because let me tell you, you don't need any type of multi-level marketing company to get into investing. That's like saying, oh, well, in order for me to trade stocks, I have to get down with a multi-level marketing company. That makes no sense. I've been trading for 10 years. I've seen companies like Generational Wealth Builders as well as iMarkets Live dating back since about high school days. I'm telling you, I've been around the game that long, and you don't need to be part of any of those groups in order to become profitable. And like I tell people, comparing stocks and Forex are pretty similar. For all of us 2K lovers out there, if you want to trade Forex or stocks, let me give you guys a great analogy. It's like playing 2K on Xbox versus PlayStation. It's a different system, but it's the same game. That's the only thing it is. So essentially, it's all about, can you use the fundamentals or the technicals in order to make your money? For Forex as a whole, for myself, when I've got into trading Forex, I trade a lot on technical analysis. The reason I trade so much on technical analysis is because you can take those same skills over into cryptocurrency as well as the stock market, options, whatever market you want to trade. The opportunity is there if you know fundamental or technical analysis. I say this all the time. So no, it's not about what's the best market to invest in. It's not about who's recession proof. All of these things that I hear is a bunch of opinionated garbage that people use to entice you to join their program. So like I tell everybody, invest in all markets. I invest in currencies, stocks, cryptocurrency. Come on, I'm in just about everything. But the point of me saying this is to say it doesn't really matter what market you're investing in, because at the end of the day, you're looking to make a return on these investments. You're not looking to say, oh, well, I want to get into this market because it's better. Like, that's not a thing. Do you know fundamental analysis and do you know technical analysis? It's really a yes or no question. If you don't, that means you have to go back and visit the basics so that you can get that that understanding of the market. So, and again, I'm going to say it again. I believe multi-level marketing has confused so many traders and investors with the idea that they need somebody in order to get into the game, or that they can't do specific things without being a part of one of these groups. So, like I said before, you don't need to get into the habit of trying to debate with people about which market is the best. All of the markets are effective, but it's all going to come down to if you are skilled enough to win those trades. So when I was in high school and I just started getting into investing, I was in this class with one of my teachers, and he was just telling me the tricks of the trade and was just telling me, hey, if you learn technical analysis, you could take this anywhere you go, whether it's stocks, cryptocurrency, Forex, whatever. And ever since that day, I told myself, I'm only going to invest in stocks. I don't want to touch anything else. Long story short, I got into every other market because I used to be one of those people that said stocks were better than all of these other things. Well, yeah, I was wrong when I was 16, 17, 18 back in high school. I was wrong because I got the experience and got into the game, and I understood that, man, all of this comes down to fundamental and technical analysis. Nothing else matters. So again, to all you Forex traders, cryptocurrency traders, no market is better than the other. It's all about if you're skilled enough to win the trade. So again, focus on designing a great game plan when you get into investing. Worry about what you can do to see a difference in your returns. Have goals that are not only smart type of goals, but make sure it's measurable, make sure it's realistic, make sure it's something that's really attainable versus someone that's just saying, oh, well, I want to get into Forex or I want to get into cryptocurrency because it's so volatile, I can make money faster. That's not investing, that's gambling, because you're looking at volatility and using recession proof as reasons as to why a market is better. I can name so many reasons why stocks can be more beneficial than any other market, and I can do the same thing for other markets as well. But at the end of the day, it's all opinionated. But what's not opinionated is that you'll need to use fundamental or technical analysis to determine your buy and sell signals, and that's just the truth. So definitely appreciate everybody taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to encourage you guys again, do not fall into the habit of talking to these multi-level marketing schemes. Get your education straight through YouTube, purchase books, do something, because paying $200+ just to get someone that's not even certified to help you with your investments, that's not a great idea. So just wanted to let you guys know that. So appreciate everyone that has taken the time to watch my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And lastly, don't forget to also check out my latest book, The Essentials of Good Credit. It's available on Amazon, and I'll post that in the description below. So thank you guys, and y'all stay blessed.